These are 5 business ideas which you can start right now with no money. The first one is affiliate marketing. If you already have an audience on any online platform, this can be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or anywhere online where you have an audience, you can start this one even today. It is simple. You sign up for an affiliate program, for example Amazon Associates, entirely for free, get access to the things that are sold from there, and choose the ones which you can market to your audience. Your job is only one: include the links to those products in the description of your social media posts, such that when your audience is reading through the description, they can follow those links, and for any purchase that they make, you get a commission from the sale. Sounds cool, right? Business idea number 2. Become a freelancer. Do you have any skills which you can share with the rest of people who don't have it? Can you write? Do you have a fast typing speed? Which other skill can you think of? Welcome to Fiverr.com. It is entirely a free platform to sign up and create your gig. Earn money from selling your skill to the world. It is called Fiverr because the cost for most of the services offered range from $5 to a couple of $1,000s. Don't sleep on your skill when you can earn money from it. Earn money making music, making video voiceovers, editing videos, promoting videos, freelance writing, proofreading, teaching, tutoring, literally any service that you can offer online. Business idea number 3. Become a YouTuber. YouTube gives you a free opportunity to create an account, upload your content, and share it to the world, and then it rewards you for that by monetizing your content. This way, you start earning money from the ad revenue of the ads that are displayed on your videos. What are you waiting for? And apart from the ad revenue, there is still a couple of different ways how you can make more money from YouTube, and these can be far more lucrative than the ad revenue itself. So what excuse do you have? If you are watching this video, chances are high that you have the device you can start with on YouTube. Business idea number 4. Become a blogger. With blogging, you start up your own blog with platforms like WordPress. The next step is to start uploading your blog posts, then monetize your blog and start earning money from the ad revenue of the ads that are displayed on your blog posts. And also you can earn money from your blog through promoting other people's products and through sponsored content. If you have your mobile phone right now, tablet or laptop, with an internet connection, what is your reason for not starting a blog? Business idea number 4. Become a podcaster.